Hey, this is Jim. Thank you for ordering the complete guide to six figures as an auto repair consultant. I know you're going to be more than happy with the course. You've made an excellent decision, and you're only a few days away from putting money in your back pocket or into your bank account. I do have a limited one-time offer here. This is going to help you speed up the process, shorten the learning curve, and it's got some done-for-you sales materials that you're really going to love. Here's what's included in the bonus material. First of all, there's a done-for-you sales presentation that makes selling easy. It's in PowerPoint. You can customize it not only to you, but to your client. You're going to get 3 WordPress themes that you're going to be able to sell to your clients. And you can sell these anywhere from $4.97 to $9.97 a month. You're also going to get an installation guide for those themes so that you can customize them, and you can also send them off to an outsourcer on Fiverr to do the installation for you. You're going to get client consultant contracts that every time you sign up a new client, you're going to use these contracts. You'll get follow-up emails for your client. Now, these are not follow-up emails for you, but they are for your client to follow up with his customers. It's a nice little cherry on the sundae. You're going to get a customer invoice template, so your clients that are paying you on a monthly basis, you'll be able to send that invoice so that you can make sure that you get paid. You're going to get a lead tracking spreadsheet. And that lead tracking spreadsheet is just going to help keep track of the leads that you found when you're looking for those customers that so desperately need your help. You're going to get a follow-up tracking sheet so that you can follow up on your prospecting. And then you're also going to get, last but not least, a new client launch questionnaire. This is going to help with fulfillment so that it makes it easy if you want to pass it off to a Fiverr person, or if you just want to do some of the work yourself. So just scroll down to the bottom and hit the Buy Now button. I'm sure you'll agree for $47, this is a bargain. Let's recap. What you're going to get with this bonus material is, first, a done-for-you sales presentation. You'll get 3 WordPress themes to sell. You'll get an installation guide for these themes, a client consultant contract, follow-up emails for your client, customer invoice templates, lead tracking spreadsheet, follow-up tracking sheet, and the new client launch questionnaire. So scroll down to the bottom, $47, it's a steal. Click on the Buy Now button. We'll see you on the other side.